Hi everyone, this is VCreed83 and today I'm bringing you Loot Crate. This month's theme is Cyber and I'm quite interested to see what's inside, so let's open it up. I'm not quite sure what side of Cyber they're going with because I've tried my best to avoid all information about it. Got a t-shirt, which is always good. And I absolutely love it. Optimus Prime. I'm a massive Transformers fan, and that looks like an original Optimus Prime. Cannot wait to be wearing that. I'm guessing they're going with robots. Not quite sure what that's a badge of, but a badge nonetheless. Sure, someone can tell me. A Terminator Extremis brain chip. It's quite heavy, that is. Not quite sure whether it's a keychain or... Alright, it's a keychain. It's quite weighty, that is. I like that. Kind of chip design pencil case. Which, oddly enough, is probably quite happy for me, seeing as I always lose my pencils and pens. Ooh. Oh. A Loot Crate exclusive Borderlands 0 mouse mat. Now that is absolutely amazing. I love that. And lastly, Lana Nora. Terminator Genesis Skull. Now that is absolutely brilliant. I'm a big fan of the original Terminators, so an envelope. Oh, shooting gallery posters, and if I'm not mistaken, that is a Scion from Battlestar Galactica. Did like Battlestar Galactica. And I'm guessing this one is going to be the same. It is. And some stickers. Ah, there it is. And the cybernetic badge you always get. So let's recap. Got the Battlestar Galactica shooting gallery picture. I do need to watch that again. Love that show. Trisha Helfer is a bad guy. Can't beat it. Terminator Genesis brain chip. The stickers. The badge, which, like I said, I'm not quite sure what that's from. The Borderlands Zero mouse mat. Love Borderlands, love Zero. The Terminator skull, which will go on my little pile. The badge. The pencil casing. And last but not least, the amazing Optimus Prime t-shirt. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video.